Good morning, viewers from Burra. Today we're going to pack up early, hit the road and head to my sister's place over in near Morgan, or Blanchetown actually, near Blanchetown. Today's weather is going to be 42 degrees Celsius, so it's going to be pretty hot. So we want to hit the road pretty early and hopefully get there by about midday. Yeah, so just got to pack up. It's about 7 in the morning and have some breakfast and hit the road. Yeah, the fun part, packing. We've nearly got it down to pat. You would think that we would after being on the road for over 3 weeks now, but yeah, it just seemed to accumulate a few things along the way, mainly food, and we tend to buy a bit too much and then have to carry some of it with us, but that's okay. Okay, we're just going to have a quick look at the Burra mine. Was going to come here last night, but got distracted, and yeah, so we'll go and have a look at it this morning before we head off to Morgan, which will be our next destination, or next stop anyway, and then from Morgan off towards Blanchetown. Really need to have a bit more time for this, but because the weather going to be so hot and extreme today, we're not going to do this walk. We're just going to have a bit of a browse around and then head off straight to Morgan. I'll just get some footage and then we'll make a move. It's really warming up quick today. That wind's picked up. Sorry?
Right on top there?
Yeah, you can go all around. Yeah. But I think we'll just have a bit of a browse here. Maybe we'll go up there because I might get a good view from up there as well. But yeah, it's getting warm very quick today, so I think we should get some video and then move on. The sun's blaring in our face. It's still pretty low, being so early in the morning. Now that's a lot better view, isn't it? Yeah, that was a reasonably good lookout. Just the sun being so low, I might get a bit of glare in the images, but that's okay. It is what it is. There's another lookout here I didn't even realise. Now this one looks pretty good. Looks like we're going to look right down into the shaft, or down into the pit. Burra mine, 1867, and they used to mine copper ore. Okay, let's head off to Morgan, get the boat across the Murray and then head in the direction of Blanchetown. Bit rough. Oh, the wife did well. That was pretty rough going down there. There's so many historical sites and points of interest here. You probably need to spend a couple of days here really, and be prepared to walk a fair bit. Do you still have grapes? Do you have grapes?
Yeah.
You have to throw them away. Yeah. Boring ride, isn't it? How's all the emus? You see all the emus everywhere? That's crazy. Okay, we just stopped at a quarantine bin. We've got to polish off these grapes first before we go across any further along this boring road. Not go up here. Okay, back out on the road again. Dropped off all our fruit. Well, we didn't actually. We ate it all. We only had grapes, but they were beautiful, those grapes. We're going to throw them away. Good morning, mate. How are you? Thank you, mate. I'll see you later. Crazy, isn't it? If you had a dirt bike, you'd have a lot of fun here. That's the Murray River and the Murray Cliffs, and we're heading in that direction over there. Just thought we'd pull up here quickly and have a bit of a browse. Okay, we've reached our destination for today. In actual fact, we're going to be staying here for 3 days and rest up and continue the trip